In this last video for Objective 2, we're going to focus on headers and footers. In particular, I'm going to focus on headers because it doesn't matter, the same technique applies, and fields. So the first step, step 29, is for sections 1 and 2 in the left header, insert the author field. Note the word field. So I'm going to first do Control Home to navigate back to the top of the document. And then to get to the header, go to Insert, Header, Edit Header. Now the author field is a particular field. We can go to Insert, Text, and they do have some fields. If we go to the Quick Parts field, or you could go to Document Properties and they already have the field there. So I think for the core exam you're just probably going to go to the Document Property, and I'll click on Author, which is Authorized Gateway Customer. We added sections to this. This is Header Section 1. When we are in the Header and Footer toolbar, sometimes what happens is we have a different first page header. So see how that gets rid of it? Okay, check on that. The next, if we click Next, and I always recommend when you're working on header and footers with multiple sections that you use the navigation group in the Header and Footer Tools design ribbon. The other thing that you're going to notice, I'm going to change the zoom. It says same as previous. So this is Header Section 2, and we don't need to change anything. We want to keep it as the previous Section 1. But then when we go to Next, okay, Header 3, we are asked to change the author field to the company. So the first thing we do, the same as previous, we need to remove the link to previous. That removes this same as previous. Unfortunately, Microsoft did not keep the same name. Same as previous, link to previous, the same thing. So I'm going to click on the author, that tab, and then press the delete key, and I'm going to go back to the insert ribbon and go back to the quick parts and document property, and then I'm going to put company. So that is how we would finish step 29. I'm going to close out of the header and footer. Now the next thing is going to the 5th generation under the heading spoken input. Is you need to also know how to put in special symbols. So if you go to Insert, Symbol, there's a check mark there, and if you hover it, it says symbol 214. It may not be there. So if it's not there, what you do is you change the font to symbol and locate, I mean, you can even type it in the character code here and then insert. So that is how you would complete steps 29 and 30.